Guys, today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your WordPress app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, so you just click on settings here, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this, then you go down, just click here, or you will find here apps. You click on it, you come to next step here, and here you're looking for WordPress, or just click here on search. So then here at WordPress, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it, you come to next step here, click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage, you come to storage this here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. I wish you know you accurate. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.